Lisa,
Hey!
can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What's the most common laundry mistake people make?
I'd have to say VPL.
VPL. What does it stand for?
Let me show you. VPL stands for visible panty line. So you see the panty line under the jeans? Right there.
This doesn't look good.
Yeah.
How do we fix it?
Let's go to sheer.
Sure.
Come on in.
So how do we fix VPL?
To fix VPL, we highly suggest that you try a thong. A thong is basically an underwear that's cut a little bit higher than a regular brief to leave your bottom exposed and seamless under your clothes. With thongs, you can try something with lace, but of course something very elastic and stretchy and comfortable with a wider waistband to lie flat against your skin. Or a no-brainer would really just to go for something seamless like this. There are a lot of different types of underwear fabrics out there, but this is microfiber and it's completely thin and laser cut technology on the edges to remain invisible under your clothes.
But what if I'm not a thong person?
Sure, not everybody's a thong person, and if you don't like wearing thongs, you can try the Boyshort. Boyshort is basically an underwear that covers your full bottom to give you the same seamless look under your clothes. With Boyshorts, I suggest going for the smooth fabric and nothing lacy, just because lace will probably show underneath your clothes. And there are many different styles of Boyshorts, but the key is to remember to cover your full bottom so you don't see it under your clothes. Shall we try some on?
Sure. So any other tips for us?
Sure. One tip would be to find the right colored underwear to match your skin tone. And the second tip is to find the right size, because the last thing you want is something that's bunching up or wrinkly underneath your clothes. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you're going for an invisible look under white clothing, remember never to wear white under white.
Got it.
Thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye.